Welcome to central Jakarta, the vibrant heart of Indonesia's capital city. Today, we'll explore some of its most iconic landmarks, with a focus on the stunning infrastructure that defines this dynamic urban landscape. Hi, I'm Eric Anselm, and welcome to Urban Strolls. Join me as I share the captivating stories and timeless charm of Sarinah, Djakarta Theatre, Sari Pacific Jakarta, and the iconic Bundaran HI, or Hotel Indonesia roundabout, all through the lens of walking vlogs. Our journey begins with Sarinah, a landmark that stands as a symbol of Jakarta's progress and cultural pride. Built in 1966, Sarinah was Indonesia's first skyscraper, a bold statement of modernization during a pivotal time in the nation's history. Renovated between 2020 and 2022, Sarinah has transformed into a hub for shopping, dining, and cultural events, while retaining its historical significance. Sarinah building stands as a landmark that embodies Jakarta's progress while embracing a contemporary aesthetic. As you step inside, you're greeted by a beautifully modern interior that creates a sense of cool comfort and visual delight. The sleek design, infused with subtle nods to Indonesia's cultural heritage, invites visitors to explore its captivating spaces. The iconic Sarinah building offers a diverse selection of dining options, from local and international cuisines to cozy cafes. It also features a curated department store showcasing traditional Indonesian products, from artisanal crafts to timeless textiles, embodying a perfect harmony of modern sophistication and Indonesia's rich cultural heritage. Sarinah is a treasure trove of unique items, from intricately woven batik fabrics and traditional clothing featuring patterns from across Java, to hand-woven songket from South Sumatra and exquisite tenon textiles. Each piece reflects the artistry and craftsmanship of Indonesia's local communities. For those looking to take home a piece of Indonesia, Sarinah offers an impressive collection of ornaments, traditional Indonesian-themed plates, handcrafted bags, fans, and other artisanal goods. This iconic department store is more than just a shopping destination, it's a cultural hub that connects local artisans with visitors from around the world. Through its curated selection of handcrafted products and its commitment to supporting micro, small, and medium enterprises, Sarinah proudly represents the heart of Indonesia's creative spirit. Outside the iconic Sarinah building, Jalan MH Thamrin buzzes with vibrant energy. This area offers a captivating blend of business, culture, and everyday life. The streets, lined with towering skyscrapers, cozy cafes, and diverse restaurants, vividly portray Jakarta's dynamic urban landscape. The steady flow of traffic, combined with people walking, shopping, dining, and socializing, creates an undeniable vibrancy. It's the beating heart of Jakarta's commercial district, where the city's rich traditions seamlessly coexist with its modern aspirations. At the next stop, we arrive at the iconic Djakarta Theatre, located just across from Sarinah. This legendary cinema, originally built in the 1970s, holds a special place in Jakarta's history. First opened on June 22, 1970, Djakarta Theatre was designed to be a grand venue for cinema and cultural events, with its expansive single-screen theatre that could hold up to 1,200 spectators. Over the years, the theatre has evolved into a luxurious venue, now known as Djakarta Theatre 21. The building still showcases the elegance and architectural charm of its earlier years, with features like its Italian marble walls and columns from Tulungagung, a county in East Java, Indonesia. The theatre was even home to Jakarta's International Film Festival during its heyday in the 70s and 80s, contributing significantly to the city's cultural scene. Today, Djakarta Theatre 21 continues to stand as one of Jakarta's most prominent cinemas, with 3 screens, a luxurious interior, and modern amenities. Despite the changes over time, it remains a beloved spot for movie lovers, still offering a glimpse into the past while embracing the present. From being a historical cultural landmark to a contemporary cinema experience, Djakarta Theatre is a true gem of Jakarta's vibrant urban landscape. Now, we move to the Sari Pacific Jakarta, located next to the Djakarta Theatre 21. This hotel has been synonymous with luxury and hospitality since its opening in 1976. Originally named Sari Pacific, it was rebranded in 2018 but continues to uphold its legacy as a landmark of central Jakarta. This five-star hotel is more than just a place to stay, it's a piece of Jakarta's history. Its design combines timeless elegance with modern amenities, catering to travelers and locals alike. Strategically located near Sarinah and the Djakarta Theatre, the Sari Pacific Jakarta is a prime example of how central Jakarta integrates convenience, style, and tradition in one vibrant district. After exploring the stories behind Sarinah, the legendary Djakarta Theatre, and the elegance of Sari Pacific Jakarta, our journey continues. We're on our way to one of Jakarta's most iconic landmarks, Bundaran Hotel Indonesia, or Bundaran HI. Let's uncover what makes this roundabout a true centerpiece of the city. Before we reach Bundaran HI, let's take a moment to enjoy the unforgettable views around Sarinah. The camera captures this stunning scene from the rooftop of the Thamrin bus stop, offering an incredible perspective of the city. From here, the vibrant energy of Jakarta truly comes to life. The mix of modern skyscrapers, bustling streets, and Sarinah's timeless charm creates a perfect snapshot of Jakarta's dynamic essence. We're on our way to Bundaran HI. Our final stop brings us to Bundaran HI, or Hotel Indonesia Roundabout, an iconic symbol of Jakarta. This landmark has been a centerpiece of the city since the 1960s, known for its monumental fountain and the Selamat Datang statue, which welcomes visitors with open arms. Bundaran HI is more than just a traffic circle, it's a representation of Jakarta's hospitality and its aspirations as a global city. The surrounding skyscrapers, luxury hotels, and bustling activity make this area a focal point of business and leisure. With the addition of the MRT station and modern pedestrian walkways, Bundaran HI has become even more accessible, symbolizing Jakarta's commitment to urban development and sustainable transportation. As the day unfolds, central Jakarta pulses with energy and vibrancy. From the historic Sarinah and the legendary Djakarta Theatre to the elegance of Sari Pacific Jakarta and the iconic Bundaran HI, this area beautifully combines Jakarta's rich heritage with its modern progress. Thank you for joining us on this journey through part of central Jakarta. Stay tuned for more city explorations on Urban Strolls. In this closing part, enjoy a showcase of the beauty of Bundaran HI and its surroundings. Don't forget to hit the subscribe and click the like button to support this channel. See you in the next video.